Hi everyone, this is Jennifer from the SAP community team. I wanted to tell you a little bit about a new functionality we've just opened in the community called Groups. So if you haven't heard of it, it's basically a place where you can go and talk to other community members about topics that you're interested in. So for example, we have a new group in the section called SAP Tech Ed. So if you've registered and you're excited for Tech Ed, you can go in there and talk to other people who are going to attend the event and talk about what you're interested in and what you're excited about. So it's really new. It looks a little bit different than the current platform. So I am going to pass it off to my colleague Cassie, who's going to tell you a little bit about how to navigate the new functionalities and how to get started.
Today, we're going to go over the newest group functionality on the SAP community. As you can see, we've added a groups button to the top navigation on the community, where you'll find 2 groups for now, but many more in the future. Since Tech Ed is coming up soon, we'll go into this group as an example. As you can see, there's a thread of all recent posts in the group, just like a typical community forum. Be sure when you first visit the page to go to the options area in the top right corner and click subscribe for the latest updates on what's happening in the group. Scrolling down the page, you'll notice on the right panel a description of the group, the number of members in the group, and the group owner, in this case would be Craig Schmehill, where you can also click his name and send a direct message. Underneath that, you'll find a list of group members underneath. What's exciting about this new feature is that you can either post a discussion topic or a blog in this area. When you click Start a Topic, you can start a discussion around anything that's on your mind related to Tech Ed. Make sure you include a subject. In this case, I'll say we're excited for Channel 1. But as you start typing, it will prompt related topics underneath too. There's a wide variety of things you can add to the body in ways to make it easier to read or more appealing. You can add pictures, emojis, a bulleted list of things, maybe that you're interested in seeing at Tech Ed. But when you're writing a post, make sure you put the label that closely relates to your topic. In this case, it would be Channel 1, but there are other listed that you can choose from. You can go back into the discussion area where you found all Tech Ed related items or discussions or other group members that have created discussions around that topic too. You can filter what posts you want to see first. When you go back to the main page, you'll also see that you can write a blog post, which we'll link in another tutorial, but just know that you have that option here too. Lastly, when you go out to the main groups page, you'll find all the groups that you could subscribe to, with the top kudos authors to the right, as well as all of the activity below for groups not just related to Tech Ed. This was just a quick walkthrough of all the basic functions of groups. Be sure to subscribe to Tech Ed and also check out the SAP Community Coffee Corner group for more candid community conversations around a wider variety of topics.
Hi guys, Lena from the SAP Community and Influencers team. Super quick news from my side, and also a reminder to please regularly check our Missions and Badges page in SAP Community. Recently, there's been a lot of updates to the page, so Devtoberfest 2021 is still running, SAP Tech Ed in 2021 is coming up, and since last week, we have a new fun mission in the SAP community, namely the Spam Hunter. Read this blog post here to find out more about how to achieve that mission, but it's actually super easy. Sometimes it happens that we have spam comments on our blog posts in the blogging area and on our questions or answers in our Q&A area. And we need your help to detect that spam, that we can remove it. So whenever you see a suspicious comment, please hit the Alert Moderator button. Scroll down to spam, select spam from the drop-down, submit that alert, and our global moderators team will take care of it and remove it. For that task of yours, you'll receive this cool new badge, the Spam Hunter badge, that will be uploaded to your profiles on a weekly basis. With that being said, happy hunting in SAP Community, and I'll see you soon.
Hello, my name is Moshe Naveh, and I'm an SAP Community Advocate for SAP Roadmap Explorer. Today, I would like to share with you information about SAP Roadmap Explorer and its recently launched SAP Community topic page. The SAP Roadmap Explorer supports the journey to SAP's future product portfolio and the intelligent enterprise. It shares latest roadmap content by product, process, and industry, direct access to detailed capability and feature information and to their value proposition, harmonized view with the slice and dice and personalization functionality, continuously updated content and easy navigation. In the SAP Community topic page, you can find more information, updates on upcoming events, and tips for getting started. Thank you.